Okay, so this is what you would need if you are going camping. So you would need, everybody knows, a sleeping bag, a tent, which I do not have. So pretend I have a tent, a hat for if it is gonna rain. Okay, and this is all of the stuff that you really need. Some Band-Aids and some snacks. Some toys. Water bottle, which has a little cup. A little, whatever it's called, up, down, off. A little thingamajig, see what it's called. Oh, some of this, I forget what it's called, but something. Okay, so off, night vision. Woo, night vision. Night vision looks super cool. Just red. It's a little creepy. Here is just some light. It's blinding, it's blinding. There's this, which, like, it's just dark, but it's not too dark. Have this, and it's a party. And never use it too much, because it might run out of batteries, and have some batteries. So have a couple toys, or if you get bored, a book, because I do not have, but I still have in my room. Yep. A handy book, a book my mom gave to me for my birthday. A lantern with a compass. Also just have a compass. Little handle. Have a stick, or if you find a stick, then just have a stick. So pretend this is a real live animal, because you might not know if it's dead or not. And some sunglasses. Another compass with a spoon, a knife, a fork, and a can opener, I think. That's really all you need if you are going camping. Whoever my mom sends this to, like a lot of people, probably, it's what you would need if you were going camping. Bye. Oh, and some bags.